In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in your Wix website. A search bar helps visitors find what they need quickly, and adding one in Wix takes just a moment. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. Look to the left side of the editor and click the Add button, the one with the plus icon. Depending on your template, you'll find the search element in one of two places. On many templates, it's under Menu and Anchor. On others, it appears under User Input. Either way, you're looking for the option labeled Search. If you don't see it in the first place you look, simply check the other one. The element is the same, the category just varies by template. Once you click Search, Wix provides a search bar element you can drop onto your page, click and drag it onto the canvas, then place it exactly where you want it. Most websites position the search bar in the header, often toward the top right, because it's a spot people instinctively look for. You can also place it near your main menu or inside a hero section if that fits your design. As you position the search bar, use the editor's smart guides and grid lines to keep things aligned. Make sure there's enough breathing room around it so it doesn't feel cramped next to logos, buttons, or menus. You can resize the bar by dragging its handles to create the right width for your layout. Aim for a size that's easy to spot and comfortable to type in, while still fitting the overall design of your header or section. Think about visibility and accessibility as well. Ensure the text and background colors provide strong contrast so visitors can read the placeholder text easily. If your site uses a sticky header, placing the search bar there helps keep it accessible as people scroll. Behind the scenes, the Wix search element connects to your site's built-in search. Visitors can type a keyword, press enter, and see matching content such as pages or posts that are searchable on your site. The default behavior works as soon as you place the element, so you don't have to do anything extra for it to function. That's all there is to it. Open Add, find the search element under Menu and Anchor or User Input, then drag and position it where it best serves your visitors. With just these simple steps, you've made your site easier to navigate and faster to use.